In this video, I'll demonstrate how you can use the Active Directory Administrative Center to perform a variety of Active Directory administration tasks. This is another option beyond the Active Directory tools that you'll find under Windows Administrative Tools, and is a great functionality piece where not all of these features might be available yet in Windows Admin Center. So to find it, we'll click on the Start menu and go into Windows Administrative Tools, and then click on Active Directory Administrative Center. It takes us to the overview page to start with. So this gives us the local Contoso node, similar to what you'd see under Active Directory users and computers. We can go in here and look at the user properties so we can see our users and our computers. And if we go and click on one of our users in bar, I can bring up the properties for this user. Now, back at the overview page, I have this reset password box down the bottom, so I can actually type in a full username here, put in the password and the new password, and do the password reset all from this one little control on this overview page. Click apply, and now this person's got a new password. I can also use the global search. If I search for something starting with SEA, I'm going to bring up all of the objects in Active Directory that start with that. And you can see that is the naming convention for my computers. So all of my computers here that are listed start with that SEA prefix. So back at the root of this local domain, I can go into computers here, and I can go and have a look at the properties for any of these computers. But I want to stage a new computer account. I can do that from here too. Under computers, go new computer and enter in all of the details here for this object for this new computer that I'm creating, SEA-CL4, to get that ready to join my domain. Now if I right click on the properties for that computer, I can go and type in some more information and get into things like the security, the location, and the extensions. So the attribute editor shows me all of those settings that I'd see through those other controls. And finally, another great little detail that you get with the Administrative Center, if I go back to the overview page and click down the bottom, I have this Windows PowerShell history. So it's logging the things that I did and showing what the PowerShell commands are that have executed in the background for the new computer account and for the password reset that I did.